Well, good morning, folks. Look at this for a beautiful day. Barely a breath of wind. Calmed right down last night. I've been told the sea is like a mill pond. And here she is. We've got the Excel Scout loaded up, ready to go this afternoon. Low tide, 4:30 this afternoon. We're going to get on the water for about 2:30 and then fish into the evening. Look at that boat. Doesn't she look stunning? As does the trailer, which, by the way, I've just lowered. Take a look. That's a lot lower than it was previously. Now, for some reason, the wheel arches on these trailers are really, really high, so I've had to drill new holes for those and drop it down a bit. But look at that.
Not huge, a bit of weight though. Just here. That's the quality. They're quite nice bit. Keep that. Fish. Drift. Weedless sand eel. 2 in a pack. £8.
Also on the drift, weedless sand eel, Chris hooks into his PB pollock here, 7¼ pounds.
Mother truck! Rockfish! These are rockfish, I think. The drag's going on it. Alright. Tied up with my rod, hang on. Oh, like a corker! You need special, so might gain a couple pound then. 7.65. 7.65, that's alright now, isn't it? Yeah. There you go. Look like right, now we need a double figure.
Local fishing and sightseeing charter boat, the Gemini, passes us by down the south of the island and brings us some luck.
Oh, see that? It came right up on it. Right up forward, yeah. They're so active here. That time of the year though as well.